Ayan, good morning mga ating kaibigan at mga followers at sumusubaybay sa ating vlog. Sabado po ngayon ng umaga pero ako'y nandito sa aming law office in Burgundy Corporate Tower in Hill Puyat Avenue, Makati City. Normally mga kaibigan, ang aking Sabado ay it's a golf day. But today is an exception dahil at 1 o'clock this afternoon, I will be attending an annual general membership meeting of a client, a condominium corporation that recently retained our services. Ayan, thank you Lord for this new blessing. We are the new general retainer and the corporate secretary of the new condominium corporation that retained us. And then pagkatapos po nun, ay babalik tayo rito sa office ulit to prepare for our court hearings next week. Alam niyo po, ang pagkakapanalo o pagkakatalo ng mga kaso na hinahawakan namin mga abogado ay siguro masasabi ko na about 30% lamang kung ano ang nakikita at naririnig nyo na nangyayari sa loob ng courtroom. But as they say, cases are won or lost in the law office. Dahil po yan, ang nangyayari, ang pag-create mo ng theory of the case, pag-research, pag-draft ng mga pleadings, preparation for your witnesses as well as the cross-examination of the defendants are all done in the office. Kaya 70% of the work are done in the office. And if you do good in your research, drafting of pleadings, drafting of comments, opposition, and prepare your witnesses as well as your cross-examinations properly, ay talaga namang yung 30% ay bonus na lang po yun. So mga kasama, let us enjoy our weekend and hopefully tomorrow, Sunday, is a restful day for everyone. Magpahinga po tayo. Kahit napakainit ng panahon, enjoy pa rin. Swimming din kung may time. Bye-bye!